Welcome back, everyone. It's game time, and as promised, here's my second box of Unparalleled. To be quite honest with you, I'm still processing how I feel about this product, even after really giving a good look over of the first round of cards. It hasn't won my heart, let me put it like that. It's okay. I think I liked 17 better, I think. 16 I had no luck with whatsoever, so maybe I wasn't a fan of that just because it seemed so hard to get a good rookie. But truthfully, 17 followed that pattern, and it looks like 18 did too, because again I went flipping through the cards that I got, and most of the rookies I got, a ton of the rookies I got, were players I have no clue who the hell they were, and I don't really like that. I don't want so many practice squatters. I mean, maybe it helps the value if you get a good player, and it's tougher to get that good player, but I don't know. But anyways, here it is. Let's get into it. Yeah, it was kind of rough. I went looking through, and I'm not an expert where it comes to prospects. I know the big ones. I know the big names. But I feel like I know enough that I should have been recognizing more of those players than I did. So wasn't overly thrilled. Alright, but as far as the look of the cards, I mean, that looks good. Looks like we've already got a hit in here, so I'll set that aside. I like the shiny, I like the pretty, I like the numbered cards. So I said I'm kind of torn with this. This is the base card, Julio Jones, Michael Thomas. This is the flat pattern of Chris Thompson, Carlton Davis, flat pattern, not numbered, Justin Jackson rookie. This is super plaid, and it's numbered to 150. Le'Veon Bell Bright Futures, not numbered, but these inserts can be different patterns and can be numbered. Arden Key and Justin Reed rookies. I think this is my another hit, although there's only 8 packs here, so the hits, are going to come up pretty quickly. Marvin Hall rookie, Ndamukong Suh, Ryan Tannehill, flat pattern, Marcel Aitman rookie, Josh Harris rookie. This is super plaid to 150. Rookie focus, Calvin Ridley. There's a Josh Allen, that's a good one. And Ito Smith. This box already, even though I haven't seen the hits, it's already shaping up a little bit better than the first one. So here's Aaron Rodgers, Adam Zaruba. This Marcus Kemp flat pattern rookie, Josh Adams rookie, flat pattern, Nick Sundberg to 25, Hopper pattern. Did not get one of those in the first box. Pioneer penmanship to 199, Curly Culp. So a vet auto in this box. To 199 for the Chiefs. Cortland Sutton and MJ Stewart. These are not numbered, by the way. LeGarrette Blount, Alshon Jeffrey. This is a James Hurst rookie, flat pattern. Jacoby Brissett shine pattern. Victorious Will Fuller the 5th, and that is numbered to 200. Kenny Golladay Victorious. not numbered. Bo Scarborough and Sam Darnold. Yeah, my rookies are definitely better in this box than the first. For sure. Something thick in here. Looks like maybe just a filler. Kareem Hunt. Mariota. There's Garoppolo. Flat pattern. Leighton Vander Esch. Rookie. Flat pattern. Kyle Long for the Bears, numbered to 200, Astral. High Flyers, Antonio Brown, not numbered. Deontay Burnett and Quadri Henderson. Brandon Linder, rookie. There's a Dalvin Cook. Trayvon Hester. Kentrell Brothers, Shine pattern rookie. LeGarrette Blount. This is an Impact 275. Pioneers, Tim Brown. Vita Vea. And Traquan Smith. Alright, let's check out these other two hits and see who we got. We got Dak Prescott and Chris Carson. Alex Erickson, rookie. Flat pattern. Baker Mayfield. Flat pattern. Roosevelt Nix to 200, Astral. And Jaleel Scott. Jersey autograph, not numbered. We have Joshua Jackson and Connor Williams. And then our final, Sean Lee, Powell, Case Keenum, AJ Green, Shine, which I think I got in the last box. Bradley Chubb, rookie focus, and Corey Coleman, Bright Futures to 50. So definitely not a rookie, but I really like Corey Coleman. I know his card values dropped just a little bit, but I really like him. So some people might not be happy with this hit, but I like it, so yay for me, huh? Dante Jackson and Royce Freeman. Yeah, I'm definitely giving this box a better grade than the first one, for sure. My rookies out of this were infinitely better than the first time around. I'm very happy to have opened a second box, because that first one just didn't leave the best taste in my mouth, so I'm glad I did this one. I really don't think I'll buy a third, though. I think I'm going to stop there and move on to some other new stuff that's coming out. I don't know. What do you guys think? Did you open some of this? I haven't watched any breaks of this. Often that helps me make up my mind about whether I buy more or less of something, but I just had a lot going on and haven't had time. So if you guys are seeing great things coming out of this, somebody let me know and I might go for another box. But other than that, I may just leave it alone. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please take care, like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll be back with my next box soon.